I'm Lanny, and this is Preserving Today, a Greener Pastures project. Today, I want to show you how I make salt-cured egg yolks. And all I do is start by putting a bed of sea salt in the bottom of this Pyrex dish. And I'm going to make 4 salt-cured egg yolks today, so I just need to crack 4 eggs. Salt-cured egg yolks are super good. It's a great way to preserve egg yolks and keep them for longer, and you can end up using them similar to Parmesan cheese, and they're super tasty. So after I crack the eggs, I just make these little wells in the salt, and I need to separate the yolk from the white. I just use my hands for this and make pretty quick work of it. Ooh, look at the beautiful egg yolks. After I separate the yolks, I just drop them into the little wells that I've created and snug them into their little resting place. They are beautiful egg yolks. We're feeding the chickens with new feed and they're out on pasture. It's springtime. This is a prime time for me to preserve some egg yolks. So I just need to cover these with some sea salt. Some people use half sugar and half salt. You could add herbs to this. There's many ways to do it, and it's all good. But today I'm just using salt. I just need to move it to the fridge for a week after I cover it. And here it is 7 days later. The moisture is kind of pulled out of the yolks and it's kind of chunky now. And I just need to carefully dig these out. They'll still be a little soft. Brush some of the salt off and then wrap it in some kind of cloth. After 7 days, these are drier, easier to handle, but they're still going to have like a softness to it, like similar to cheese, where it's hard, but still you could make an impression with your thumbnail in it. Beautiful, excellent color. Oh, wow. These are so pretty. I almost don't want to eat them. Cheese grater. Grate it up like you would Parmesan, and you can see it's very similar to grated cheese. Oh my goodness. Wow. Use this, some kind of a mandolin to make a really thin slice and take a look at what this looks like. It's this beautiful little egg yolk, like translucent, awesome. So what did I do with this after I just put that in my mouth? It was really salty, but it's so good. So anything that you would use a salty cheese or super salty cured meats for, you could use these for. But the best is to shred it really finely and use it like you would Parmesan on any kind of dish. Actually, grate it onto scrambled eggs is really good. I hope you enjoy trying this out. Let me know what you think in the comments and make sure to subscribe and follow. I'm Lanny, and this was Preserving Today, a Greener Pastures project.